Hello, my name is Greg Frohnapfel, one of the owners of ProFaux's, and we're going to be introducing some metallic plasters that I think you'll find very exciting. The first metallic plaster I'd like to introduce to you is SEDONA. It is a metallic plaster with a large spangled effect. It's tintable to numerous colors. It's available in two undertones, pearl and gold. What's unique about it is that it can go directly over any latex or water-based existing paint finish. And it's designed to be a one-coat application, which makes it very profitable for the contractor and very quick for the homeowner. I'm applying SEDONA, available from ProFaux's. It is a dual tone effect, or spangled effect we say. This product is tintable to numerous colors. In this particular example, we've put in a small amount of raw umber colorant into the pearl base, and it's designed to be applied in one coat with simple tools. In this demonstration, I'm using a brush, and in the next demonstration, we'll be using some other tools. We're applying this tinted SEDONA over a white primed surface. Alternatively, you can put this over an existing paint color, but it's important to remember that as these metallic plasters are all inherently translucent, the undertone or the base color of your wall will influence the final coloration. So again, if you want to see some of the background peeking through, and you like a lot of contrast, you can start with a white background for your darker colors, but just consider that the background will influence the final effect. If you want to minimize some of the brush marks or introduce a stipple, you can use a larger, clean brush to bring up a little bit more texture. Up close, I can really see the spangle effect. Of course, with all metallics, they're dependent on the light. So the more natural light you can put on the surface, the more you'll see the sparkle. As this is an acrylic product, it has very high adhesion, but also it's important to note that if you ever want to cover over this finish, you can do so with an acrylic or any water-based paint. It's good to get back once in a while from your work so you can see if the areas are too light or too dark. If they're too dark, you can remove some of the product and then just gently brush back over those areas. In the second demonstration of SEDONA, we've taken the gold undertone and tinted it with a little bit of yellow and blue to produce this green. When you're working on walls, it's important to roll from top to bottom in bands about 2 to 3 feet wide. Just think about like hanging strips of wallpaper. And then we'll come in immediately with the dampened magic trowel and tip off these peaks to kind of flatten them. It's also known as a knockdown texture. Find that it's a very light pressure with the roller, once the product has been applied, will raise the peaks nicely. It's important to dampen the magic trowel with a sponge. Nice fluid stroke from top to bottom will flatten this texture. And that's all there is to it.